friends, once again welcome to our channel Competitive Maths by Biology. We are discussing chapter ratio and proportion. In that it is part 13, which is continuous to part 12. So let's start our class with question number 18. Okay. In an examination, the number of those who passed and the number of those who failed were in the ratio 25:4. If 5 more had appeared and the number of failures were 2 less than the earlier, the ratio of students who passed to students who failed would have been 22:3. Find the total number of those who appeared at the examination. Okay, we have to find the number of students who appeared at the examination. ఒక పరీక్షలో పాస్ అయిన మరియు ఫెయిల్ అయిన విద్యార్థుల మధ్య నిష్పత్తి 25:4. ఆ పరీక్షలో 5 అదనంగా హాజరై 2 తక్కువ విద్యార్థులు ఫెయిల్ అయితే పాస్ మరియు ఫెయిల్ అయిన విద్యార్థుల నిష్పత్తి 22:3 అగును. అయినా మొదట పరీక్షకు హాజరైన వారు ఎందరు? పరీక్షకు హాజరైన వారు కావాలి. పరీక్షకు హాజరైన వారు ఎవరు? ఫెయిల్ అయిన వారు ప్లస్ పాస్ అయిన వారు. So we have to find the people, those who appeared at the examination. That means the students who passed and who failed, both are appeared for the examination. So total students to failure student, as there are failure were 2 less than the earlier is given, so consider total to failure. So total, initially total is 25 plus 4, 29, failure were 4, 29:4. And then if 5 more had appeared and failures were 2 less than the earlier, the ratio of students who passed to students who failed becomes 22:3. But we have to take total to failure. Total is 25, failure is 3. That is 25:3. So that, see, 25 4s are 100, 29 3s are 87. That is difference is 13 unit. 3 5s are 15 minus 25 minus 2s are minus 50. That is 13 units value is 65. Minus of minus plus 50 plus 15 65. 1 unit value is 5. So the number of students who appeared for the examination were 29 units. 29 units value equal to 29 into 5. That is 145 is our answer. So answer is A. Next question, 19th one. Vijay has a box in which he kept red and blue marbles. Yes, he kept red and blue marbles. The red marbles and blue marbles were in the ratio of 5:4. After he lost 5 red marbles, the ratio becomes 10:9. How many marbles does he have now? విజయ్ వద్ద గల పెట్టెలో ఎరుపు మరియు నీలం రంగు గోళీలు ఉన్నాయి. ఎరుపు మరియు నీలం గోళీలు మధ్య నిష్పత్తి 5:4. 5 ఎరుపు గోళీలు కోల్పోయిన తర్వాత వాటి నిష్పత్తి 10:9. అయినా ప్రస్తుతం అతని వద్ద ఎన్ని గోళీలు ఉన్నాయి? సొల్యూషన్. రెడ్ మార్బుల్స్, బ్లూ మార్బుల్స్. Initial ratio between them is 5:4. After he lost 5 red marbles, he lost 5 red marbles and there is nothing change in blue marbles. That is denoted by 0. Then the ratio between these two becomes 10:9. So that 5 9s are 45, 10 4s are 40. Difference is 5 units. 10 zeros are 0. Minus of minus 9 5s are 45. That is plus 45. 5 1s, 5 9s. That is 1 unit marble is 9. So initially he has 5 plus 4, 9 marbles, 9 unit marbles. Initially he has 5 plus 4, 9 unit marble. That is 9 9s are 81. But he lost 5 red marbles. So at present he has 76 marbles. That is answer is C. చూడండి, ఎరుపు మరియు నీలం రంగు గోళీల మధ్య నిష్పత్తి 5:4. 5 ఎరుపు గోళీలు కోల్పోయాడు. నీలం రంగు గోళీలో ఎటువంటి మార్పు లేదు, కోల్పోలేదు, కలపలేదు. సో 0 రాసాము. అప్పుడు వాటి మధ్య నిష్పత్తి 10:9 అవుతుంది. చూడండి, 5 9 45, 14 40. 45 40ల తేడా 5 యూనిట్లు. 10 zeros 0, minus of minus 9 5s are 45. That is plus 45. So 1 unit value 9. కానీ అతని దగ్గర ముందుగా ఎంత ఉన్నాయి? 5 plus 4 9 యూనిట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. 1 యూనిట్ విలువ 9 అయితే 9 యూనిట్స్ విలువ 81. 5 రెడ్ మార్బుల్స్ కోల్పోయాడు కాబట్టి ఇవి ముందుగా అతని దగ్గర ఉన్నవి. 5 మార్బుల్ కోల్పోయిన తర్వాత ప్రస్తుతం అతని దగ్గర ఉన్నాయి 76. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, 20th one. In a school, The ratio of number of teachers, boys and girls was 1:7:5. When 8 new teachers joined the school and 9 girls left the school, the ratio of teachers to students, becomes 1:7. Find the number of remaining girls in the school. Yes. ఒక పాఠశాలలో ఉపాధ్యాయులు బాలురు మరియు బాలికల నిష్పత్తి 1:7 నిష్పత్తిలో ఉన్నారు. 8 మంది కొత్త ఉపాధ్యాయులు పాఠశాలలో చేరి 9 మంది బాలికలు పాఠశాలను వదిలి వెళ్ళడం వలన ఉపాధ్యాయులు మరియు విద్యార్థుల మధ్య నిష్పత్తి 1:7 గా మారింది. అయినా ఆ పాఠశాలలో మిగిలిన బాలికలు ఎందరు? సొల్యూషన్. So the second ratio is given between teachers to students. So we have to consider the ratio between teachers to students. Initially, teachers ratio is 1 and students means sum of boys and girls, that is 12. The ratio between teacher to students is 1:12. When 8 are joined the school and 9 girls were left the school, this ratio becomes 1:7. Teacher is to student ratio becomes 1:7. See, 1 12 is 12, 1 7 is 7. 12 minus 7, 5 units difference is equal to 8 7s are 56 minus 1 minus 9s are minus 9. That is 5 units value is minus of minus plus 56 plus 9 65. Then 1 unit value is 13. 1 unit value is 13. Initially, the ratio of girls is 5 units. Then 5 units value is 65. But where 9 girls are left the school, so subtract 9 from 65, we get 56. So the remaining girls were 56 in the school. So this is answer. Next very important question, 21. In a school, there were 1554 students and the ratio of the number of boys to girls was 4:3. After a few days, 30 girls joined the school, but a few boys left the school. As a result, the ratio of the boys and girls becomes 7:6. Find the number of boys who left the school. Most important one. Important question. ఒక పాఠశాలలో మొత్తం విద్యార్థుల సంఖ్య 1554 మరియు బాలబాలికల మధ్య నిష్పత్తి 4:3. కొన్ని రోజుల తర్వాత 30 మంది బాలికలు కొత్తగా పాఠశాలలో చేరారు మరియు కొంతమంది బాలురు పాఠశాలను విడిచి వెళ్లారు. ఫలితంగా బాలబాలికల మధ్య నిష్పత్తి 7:6గా మారింది. అయినా పాఠశాలను వదిలి వెళ్ళిన బాలురు ఎందరు? సొల్యూషన్. Let us see it by two methods. So boys to girls, initial ratio between them is 4:3. But given that total students in the school are 1554, that is total ratio 4 plus 3, 7 units value is 1554. Then 1 unit value 7 2s are again 7 2s are again 7 2s are. 1 unit value is 222. Right. If 30 new girls joined the school and some boys left the school, let us say that X boys are left the school, then the ratio between boys and girls becomes 7:6. 7:6. Now 6 4s are 24, 7 3s are 21. 24 minus 21, that is 3 units value. 7 30s are 210 minus of minus x into 6 minus 6x, that is plus 6x. But this can be written as 3 times of 70 plus 2x. 210 can be split as 3 times of 70. 6 can be split as 3 times of 2. So 1 unit value 3 gets cut. 1 unit value is 70 plus 2x. But the 1 unit value is 222. In the number, 1 unit value is 222. So 70 plus 2x value is equal to what? 222. 2x equal 222 minus 70. That is 2x equal 152. Okay. What is 2x value? 2 7s are 14, 2 6 are 12. X equal what? 76. So how many boys were left the school? 76 boys left the school. Let us see another method. Boys and girls. Actually, boys and girls are in the ratio 4:3. Okay. But what is 1 unit value? 1 unit value is 222. Then total boys in the school were 4 times of 222 and girls were 3 times of 222. That is 3 bull 8 and 3 bull 6. Some boys left the school and 30 girls joins the school. The ratio will become 7:6. Number of girls becomes 666 plus 30, 696. That is 6 units value is 696. That is 116 times of 6. So here also do the same thing. 116 times of 7 is 7 6 of 42. 4 carry, 7 ones of 7 plus 4 11, 1 carry, 7 ones of 7 plus 1 8, 8 12. What is the difference? 882 reduced to 812. 888 is the actual boys number, that is reduced to 812. So 76 boys were left the school. So answer is A. Okay, next question, 22nd. The train fare and bus fare between two stations is in the ratio 3:4. If the train fare increases by 20% and bus fare increases by 30%, then what is the ratio between revised train fare and revised bus fare? రెండు స్టేషన్ల మధ్య రైలు మరియు బస్ ఛార్జీల నిష్పత్తి 3:4. రైలు ఛార్జీలు 20% పెరిగి బస్సు ఛార్జీలు 30% పెరిగితే పెరిగిన తర్వాత రైలు ఛార్జీ మరియు బస్ ఛార్జీల మధ్య నిష్పత్తి ఎంత? Solution. Train fare is denoted by T, bus fare is denoted by B. Initially the ratio between them is 3:4. But 3 can be written as 30, 4 can be written as 40. So ratio doesn't change. Then train fare increases by 20%. What is the 20% of 30? 20% of 30. Percentage 2 zeros gets cut, 2 3 is 6. That is plus 6. So it becomes, train fare becomes 36. And bus fare increases by 30%. What is 30% of 40? Percentage 2 zeros gets cut, 3 2s are 12. So it increases by 12, that is 52. The ratio becomes 36:52. See, 4 9s are 36, 4 13s are 52. Ratio becomes 9:13. So answer is C. Let us see it by method 2. So consider this as method 1. Initial ratio between train fare and bus fare is 3:4 between two stations. Okay. So initial ratio is 3. Let it be 100. Then it decreases by 20%. That is becomes 120. 4 is 100% and it decreases by 30%, becomes 130. So 100 gets cut, 0 cut. 4 1s are 4 3s are cut. 3 3s are 9 is to 1 13s are 13. 23rd. A comma B incomes increased by 15% and 20%. Incomes of A and B are increased by 15%, 20% respectively. Present their incomes are in the ratio of 23:15. Then find their incomes ratio before increment. Okay. A మరియు B యొక్క ఆదాయాలు వరుసగా 15%, 20%. 15%, 20%. పెంచిన తర్వాత వాటి నిష్పత్తి 23:15. అయినా ఆదాయం పెరగక ముందు వాటి మధ్య నిష్పత్తి ఎంత? So here we have A and B. Before increment, the ratio of income of A and B are in the ratio X:Y. Let us suppose that. Okay. Then the A income is increased by 15%. That means initially it is 100%, increased by 15%, that means 115. And similarly B income initially that is 100% and it is increased by 20%, that is becomes 120. Then this ratio will equal to 23:15, that is x into 115 by 100 equal to 23 and y into 120 by 100 is equal to 15. Okay. Now 23 ones are 23 5s are 5 ones are 5 20s are. What is x value? 20 ones are 20. Similarly 5 ones are 5 8s are 120. 4 2s are 4 25s are y equal what? 25 by 2. 25 on the 25 by 2. So we have to find x is to y. 20 is 25 by 2. 5 fours, 5 fives. That equal 4 twos are 8 is to 5 is the answer. So initial ratio of their incomes is 8 is to 5. Answer is C. Next, 24th question. The ratio of salary of 4 men is 3 is to 2 is to 1 is to 4. If they increase their salary by 10%, 15%, 12%, 20% respectively, find out ratio of their income. నలుగురు వ్యక్తుల జీతాల నిష్పత్తి 3:2:1:4. వారి జీతాలు వరుసగా 10%, 15%, 12%, 20% పెరిగితే వారి జీతాల నిష్పత్తి ఎంత? ఎస్, ఇనిషియల్ 3:2:1:4 solution. But initial value is always 100. First person salary increases by 10%. 100 becomes 110. Similarly, second person salary becomes 100 to 115. Third person salary becomes 100 to 112. Fourth person salary becomes 100 to 120. Okay. Initial salary 3, that is 100%, and it is increased by 10% more, that is 100 plus 10, 110%. Likewise, so we have to find this ratio. See, observe this one. Second terms in the 4 options are different. So first of all, we have to simplify the second term to choose the answer. Okay, right. 100, 100, 100 all are gets cancelled. Then 2 times. See, 2 2s are 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10. So second ratio is 115. Second ratio is 115. So answer is A. But simplify remaining term. 3 times of 55, 165 is to 56 is to twice the 2, 120 is 240. So answer is 165 is to 115 is to 56 is 240. Last question of the class, part 13, 25th one. Two numbers are in the ratio 8 is to 15. The first number increased in the ratio of 2 is to 3, and the second number decreased in the ratio of 3 is to 2. Then the ratio of resultant numbers is. రెండు సంఖ్యల నిష్పత్తి 8 is to 15. మొదటి సంఖ్యను 2 is to 3 నిష్పత్తిలో పెంచి రెండవ సంఖ్యను 3 is to 2 నిష్పత్తిలో తగ్గించిన వచ్చే సంఖ్యల మధ్య నిష్పత్తి ఎంత? Initial ratio between these two numbers is 8 is to 15. Then this is first number and this is second number. Okay. First number increased in the ratio 2 is to 3. New number becomes 3 by 2 times of first number. As its ratio given 2 is to 3, it is increased 1 unit. It is increased 1 unit over 2 units. So new number becomes 3 by 2 times of first number. Similarly, second number decreased by 3 is to 2 ratio. Second number decreased in the ratio 3 is to 2. That is, new number becomes 2 by 3 times of 15. The new number becomes 2 by 3 times of 15, as it is decreased by 1 unit over 3. Okay, right. So base always 2 here, since it is increased to 1 unit on 2 units, and it is decreased 1 unit on 3 units. So base must be here 2 and base must be here 3. Right. 2 1s are 2 4s are 4 into 3 is 3 1s are 3 5s are 5 into 2. Again 2 1s are 2 2s are 6 is to 5 is the resultant ratio of the numbers. That is 6 is to 5. Option A. చూడండి, మొదట రెండు సంఖ్యల నిష్పత్తి 8 is to 15. మొదట రెండు సంఖ్యల నిష్పత్తి 8 is to 15. మొదటి సంఖ్యను ఈ నిష్పత్తి ఒకటి పెంచి 3కి అయింది, కాబట్టి బేస్ లో ఎప్పుడు కూడా 2 ఉండాలి. ఇప్పుడు కొత్త సంఖ్య మొదటి సంఖ్య యొక్క 3/2 రెట్లు అవుతుంది. కొత్త సంఖ్య న్యూ నెంబర్ బికమ్స్ 3/2 times of old number. Similarly, ఇక్కడ రెండవ సంఖ్యను 3 is to 2 నిష్పత్తిలో తగ్గించండి, అనగా 3 యూనిట్ ఉన్న నెంబర్ కాస్త 2 యూనిట్స్ 1 యూనిట్ తగ్గింది, అనగా కొత్త నెంబర్ 15 యొక్క 2/3 రెట్లు అవుతుంది. సో క్యాన్సిలేషన్ చేస్తే మనకు కొత్త సంఖ్యల నిష్పత్తి 6:5. ఓకే.